Okay, this is a quarter-hour cuckoo clock, but it's not typically like your other quarter-hour cuckoo clocks. The way it's designed, the left bellow here has got this wire that makes a loop, and there's a wire that comes out of the cuckoo bird. The left bellow lifts the cuckoo bird, where the typical quarter-hour cuckoo clocks that I've been working on or I've seen, the right bellow has got that fancy spring on it that I told you about in the other videos that lift the cuckoo bird. Now, this quarter-hour cuckoo clock was made in Australia, and it has the bird that's wooden, and when it tilts, the tongue comes out, and the beak separates. Your typical quarter-hour cuckoo clocks don't have that. The way this one works, there's the counterweight back here on the right bellow versus the square system. Let me see if I can get one of those square systems that I'm talking about. This is your typical spring setup on the right bellow as you're reviewing it from the rear. This is nailed into the bellow. This square fits into the tail of the bird, and then this catches the the wire on the back of the bellow to lift the bellow until the left bellow comes down, and the wire that lifts the right bellow hits this, which causes the right bellow to come down. That way you get a cuckoo versus just a coo. Let me see if I can activate this thing so y'all can see what it does. You got the cuckoo going on versus just a typical coo. Now, I had to add some weight to the back of the bellows. In this case, I used nickels. The bellow itself wasn't dropping fast enough for me, so I added nickels. But anyway, like I said, I just wanted to point out this video just to show you have a different type of system. Here, the left bellow lifted up the right bellow. The star, or the fan that lifts up the bellows, is not dropped yet, so it allows the left bellow to raise, the right bellow stays until the left bellow drops, and this wire pushes this out of the way. Hope you all enjoy my videos. If you do, please subscribe. God bless.